market that's growing increasingly competitive, job sites are demanding more from scissor lifts. They must work quietly in shopping malls without leaving oil stains and move steadily on mud, grass, or gravel. A lift that truly combines precision operation and terrain adaptability. That's what the industry has been waiting for. Sinoboom 0407ET all-electric crawlers scissor lift. An industry first, fully electric drive with no hydraulics. Designed for demanding terrains and high-standard work environments. Driven by high-efficiency AC motors for lower energy use, faster response, and longer runtime. With no hydraulic system, there's zero risk of oil leakage. Quiet, clean, and energy efficient. Ideal for malls, hotels, and office buildings. Equipped with custom non-marking rubber tracks, providing strong traction without damaging the surface. Whether it's epoxy flooring, tiles, or wood, it leaves no trace behind. Built for the outdoors with 30% gradeability, easily handling grass, mud, and gravel. From park maintenance to muddy job sites, one machine covers it all. With a 230 kilogram load capacity, it supports 2 operators and tools simultaneously, minimizing overload alerts and improving efficiency. The single lifting point design meets Japanese and other regional transport standards, safer, faster, and easier for transfers. Certified by CE, ensuring world-class export quality and global reliability. Meets multiple national standards with excellent long-term value retention. Sinoboom 0407ET, a scissor lift made for every scenario.